Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an iCloud email address. Right. So first up, gotta find your settings app right here. Just tap on it. And then once done, gotta tap on your iCloud account or Apple account. Tap. And then in here, just tap on iCloud. Okay. Tap on it. And then in here, as you can see under Save to iCloud, you can go ahead and tap on See All. And then you'll find iCloud Mail. Okay. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once that's done, there'll be some suggestions right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and use one of these. If not, you can just go ahead and type it down right here manually. Okay. So I'm just going to use one of these samples right here because I like it. Okay. I'm going to tap on it. And here we have it. And once that's done, just tap on Continue. Okay. Now I want to ask you, confirm email address. Well, just tap on Confirm. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you're all set. It says here, your new iCloud mail address is this one. You can now start using your new email address right away. So just basically tap on Done, and you're good to go. That's how simple it is to create an iCloud email address. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.